Hello everyone, I am Susan Zam. Welcome to today's class, General Studies Part 6. Remember, we had learned some words in Part 4 and 5. We will be using them now to form examples. Missimi Dagwi home, I love my God. Remember, Dagwi is God. Yeso asi Dare, Jesus is Lord. Dare is Lord. Woriwo ilo Luekmot. Let's go to our pastor's house. Remember, Luek is pastor. Moshe Asegbon Zarab Dagwi. Moses was a great prophet of God. Zarab is prophet. And Bitrus Tom Yeso. Bitrus was an apostle of Jesus. Remember, Tom is apostle. Thank you and bye for now.